Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Spotify error code 18. The installer is unable to install Spotify because the file is to be written or in use by another process. Please make sure Spotify is not running and retry. So let's go ahead and resolve this problem. You want to go and close out of any open programs or applications you have on your computer, and go ahead and restart your computer. And now once you've restarted Windows, go ahead and attempt to install Spotify going online once again, and just download the Spotify app, and hopefully I should be able to resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.